Hello, welcome back to Uptake Online. It's me today again, Sabit Christopher. I'm going to take you through how you can easily search your list with ease in Excel. So we are going to use mostly a filter function, search function, and find function, which you can find in 365 or Google Sheets. So in case you don't have the latest version of Excel, please, you can try to use Google Sheets to practice this. So how are we doing this? That you can easily search your list without using the ordinary filters this way. I'm searching this list of mine and I will need the result on the other end. So let me say I'm searching for anything to do with soda. So I'll get the sodas, all the sodas listed on the other end. Let's say if I want to add another search on top of the soda, then I do 330. It will bring for me all the sodas that are 330. Or you may say, I need the Mirindas with 330. It will bring all the Mirindas with 330. So how to do this? Please stay on this call, stay on this video until the end. We are going to go step by step. And in case you have any challenge, please leave us a comment, hit that subscription button, and hit that like button such that you can get such videos whenever we post any video or any update. So how do we do this? Let's switch to our session version. So first of all, you'll make sure that your data is in a table. My data is in a table. That's why you see it is having the table design tab. Then you can create the format where you're going to get your results. You can use the same headers as I have done. Create your user cell where they're going to be passing the search or typing the keyword. So after you have done that, we shall start. How do we search? I will start with using the find function. And from this video, you should now know the difference between find and search. So using the find function, I will say equals to find. What am I finding? I want to find anything typed here, and within text, I want to search within this whole of this column. So if your data is already in a table, then you just click on the column, it will select the whole column. So close parenthesis and enter, it will give me 1 because I've put nothing here. So the moment I put, let's say, AER and enter, because here there is AER, then I will get the ones, then the others become value error because whatever we are searching does not exist. So if I search for hill, it will give me 3 because hill is at position 3, that's why we get that. Now, what if we want to bring the boolean output, that is true and false? Then we shall come to our search function and say, make sure that everything you search should be a number. So we put a ISNUMBER function you combine the find function with the ISNUMBER function. Remember, this is an array, that's why it is running up to the bottom. So you see where there is hills, it will bring you the true. I tried to put a conditional format such that the tree is in green. So in case I search for AAA, you'll see here it is true because we have AAA here. The moment I add the fourth A, everything becomes a false. Now, here we go. We are getting to exactly what we need. Now, are we able to filter out anything that is true and it appears in our result? Then you're going to put the whole of this function in a filter function, open parenthesis. This is the array. Now, what is our array? Our array is the whole of this table. So just move to the corner of this table and select. The moment you get that cursor select, it will select the whole table. That is the items table because the name of my table is items, comma. Then what do we want to include? Everything that is a number. Then in case they don't get the result, please bring for us no item found. So close quotes, close parenthesis, and enter. So here it is filtering for us the table, filtering anything that is a number, and in case they don't find, they will bring for you no item found. So in case I come here and I type there, let's say subtech, and enter, they will bring me no item found. True, there is no item called subtech. But if I do Mirinda, they will bring for me all the Mirindas. Now, that is when you're using a find function. Now, what is the difference between find and search? So the moment I put here 50, let me say 50 kg and enter, it is going to bring items with a 50 kg with, it is case sensitive. A find is case sensitive, that I will not get any 50 with a kg that is lowercase. So the moment I change this to lowercase, I will get another version of SKUs or of items, because find function is case sensitive. Now, let's try to change this find to search. So the moment you change the find to search, that's the only thing you change. It is going to return all the 50 kg, both the uppercase here and those with the kg with the lowercase. So we get it right? Yes. Now, someone is asking that maybe how do we now combine two results? Like I want to search for one keyword and I search for another keyword. Because if I search for one keyword, I'm still getting many results, so I have to scroll and look out for exactly what I need. How do you do that? Add another cell. I will put this with a background of blue such that it is different. Here I had used a symbol for plus. We can borrow this symbol. Otherwise, you can always get this symbol from insert. Then you insert icons, you'll get that symbol. Now we want to boost our search here. We add another cell. That is very simple. So how do we do that? It means that this is the criteria. So we need now to multiply this criteria to do both cell C3 and cell D3. So how do you do that? I will copy that. Then if you want to search for both cells in Excel, we use AND. And AND can be, if you don't use the AND function, you can use the multiply symbol, that is a star. So I will do a star, that is Shift 8. I copy and paste the is function, but this time we want to search C3, and here we search for D3. So now both of these have been included in my search, that we have searched the table, we search for C3, and again we search for, so both of these should be true for you to get the value. True means that what you are searching from here and what you are searching from D3, they have all to be true. That's the value you get. So which means if I search for 50 kg, then I put here flour, it is going to bring anything that is 50 kg and it is flour. Okay, let me remove this. Let me search for something else. So let's say if we search for Mirinda, we enter, all the Mirindas will come. Then among the Mirindas, you say, I want that with 2 liter, and I will get only the 2 liter Mirinda. So if you want even the third criteria, you can create it here and just multiply again with E3, and it will give you the third criteria. And that is the easiest way you can give your users always to search the list. Why do you have always to have that search function or trick or criteria? Because here you're having over 3,700 items. You can imagine you're scrolling this every day. So that is the only trick you can always take using the filter function, the search function, and the find function. Hope this video adds up to all the tricks you have been having in Excel, visit our channel Subtech Online, subscribe, leave us a comment on this video. Appreciate, and we shall come through. If you have any query, please leave it in the comment section, and I will leave you this file in the description below. Download and practice. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.